go to www.aap.org/TECaN. Then go to the page of interest, for instance, quality improvement, research, or global health. From here, locate the roadmap. You can interact with the roadmap directly on this page. You have the option to go to full screen mode by clicking on the brackets on the bottom toolbar. You can then browse each tab and explore the resources that are recommended for each year of fellowship. The icons next to each item on the roadmap are live links to external pages. Here is an example of a link taking you to an external resource. Feel free to check out all of our other roadmaps as well, including quality improvement, basic science research, clinical research, global health, and medical education.